Laura Train Mama here, and today we are having a look at the activities contained within the Train Ride story pages. This is taken from the May edition of Peppa Pig magazine. I can't wait to get stuck in, and I hope you enjoy it too. As we go through the activities, I would love your help, so please feel free to shout any answers at home. In order for the station master to know how many tickets Madame Gazelle needs, we need to count the children. And so our first activity is counting those children. Can you help me? We're going to start with Susie Sheep at the front of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 children in the line. When you spot number 10, shout 10. Did you say something? That's right, number 10. We're going to circle it off now. If you found number 10, well done. Number 10. Next up, Pedro has lost his ticket. For him to board the train, he must find his ticket. So let's have a look through and try and find Pedro's ticket. When you see Pedro's ticket, shout ticket. Did you say something? That's right. There is Pedro's ticket. It's fallen on the floor, and so I'm just going to draw a rectangle around it. Next up then, I'm going to use my pen to follow that train track. Well done. We've reached the end. Grandad Dog says, hello. Can you help me wave back to Grandad Dog? Now we've seen Grandad Dog on his boat, we can tick off the boat. Can you see the boat on the checklist? That's right. Here it is. And so we can tick it off now. If you found the boat too, then well done. Next up then, we need to figure out which symbol is on Pedro's hat. Is it a car or a train? Let's take a look. That's right, it's a train, not a car. If you guessed train, then well done. Next up, the children have spotted a signal box. They are going to tick it off their list. And so, why don't we go back and tick it off our checklist too? Here we go then. Signal box. I'm going to add the number 12 because we found it in box 12. Next up, I've decided to count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ducks. I'm going to write the number 10. If you counted 10 with me, well done. Next up, the children have spotted a tunnel. They're going to tick it off their activity sheet, and so let's tick it off our activity sheet too. Here we go then. Tunnel. And I'm going to write number 15 because we spotted it on page 15. Can you guess where the train has stopped? That's right. It's back at the station. If you guessed correctly, then well done. Next up, Miss Rabbit has asked for her hat back. When Pedro lifts up the hat, something is hiding there. Can you see what it is? Was it a ticket or duck? That's right. It was Pedro's missing ticket and not a duck. The final activity is a colouring opportunity, and I do love colouring, so I'm going to use my red pencil to start with. Next up, I'm going to use my orange pencil. Next up, I'm going to use my yellow pencil. Now a green. Next up, I'm going to use blue. Now I'm using dark blue to colour number 4. Next up, I'm going to use the colour purple to colour number 3.